Hello guys, in this video I am going to introduce you to this implementation of GPT Engineer. GPTEngineer.app is based on GPT Engineer tool on which I did a video few days back, and this tool simply lets you specify a text prompt and then you can start prototyping your own website with the help of this tool. So if you look at their demo, what is happening is just you are specifying a text prompt here, and then from there just click create and it is going to create the whole website for you and the whole application. And then you can open it in editor and then start tinkering with it. You can edit it further, and then after adding a few more features you can simply go ahead and then get it published. You can also change the code as you like, and the good thing is that yes, AI is creating it, but you still have full control of your code, which is amazing. Now this tool is basically enabling you to specify what to build, and then AI creates a website and display it for you. From there you edit using natural language, and then you have one click deployment as you can see on this demo. So this is kind of a best experience for rapid prototyping, and also you have this whole feedback loop in the shape of bugs or feature requests is really helpful a lot. So if you're a software developer, this tool can really sort of boost your productivity to a next new level. The only problem is that there is a lot of load on it. I entered my email and requested the access, but I have been told in after joining and answering few of the questions that my number is like after 11,000 or something. And I received this email from the creator. As you can see, my number is 11,284. I'm not sure if it is I'll be receiving this email anytime soon, but anyway, still a really good tool. And if you have used GPT Engineer and if you have access to it, you can even simply go to that GitHub repo and then clone the code and build it on top of it. So that's it. I just wanted to show you this code. If I get the access early and if there is no other such tool, I'm going to make another video on it and I'll show you from here how you can experience it. That's it. Thanks for watching a short sweet video. Let me know your thoughts, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.